Hello everyone, I'm JK. I greet you from wherever you're tuning in. People watching me different countries, USA, Canada, UK, different parts of Africa. Thank you so much for subscribing to Hair Crown UG. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share, like and comment if you have any question that you want me to answer you. This is a video about locking hair or repairing Passiontwist. You can use the same technique when locking other braids. I use a crochet hook and I use a little of gel. I normally use molding gel, and this is how I go on repairing my hair. I recommend you to use a crochet hook because it's pain free. You can't feel any pain at all. The client can't feel any pain at all, and it is easy when getting your hair. Now please take note of this. When repairing hair, it is better you do two directions. Some do it from the west and then north. That is, you lock it two sides. That is cross. That is, you can either do east to west and then north to south. It is very good to lock the hair when it has pretty much growth. It is not good to lock it up when it is still fresh. So my client here has been with her hair. I plaited her like a month ago. So she's making a repair after a month, and you can see the growth is enough. She doesn't feel any pain because the growth is enough, and I do it in as I told you, this technique is so beautiful. This technique it's a secret. It's a good one. The technique of doing it from looking rather east to west and north to south. Those are two times that I'm locking this hair. You can see. Then, and maybe if it happens to be if you lock it twice and you feel like there's a gap, you can lock it the third time. That's why some strands you can see me locking it thrice, but it's normally two times or three times using a crochet hook. Let me leave you to enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can go into my comment section, comment, and ask me anything that you haven't understood. Otherwise, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please tune in, subscribe this channel, share to your beloved ones for more about hair, mostly ladies' hair. Thank you so much. I'm JK as usual. God bless you. See you in my next video. That is going to be tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless. Enjoy the video.